Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It had been so long that I have not been making much videos because of my work schedule. Today we will see a fault with my DC power supply. It's MS3010D. It's capable of giving 30 volts. So and lately I was trying to do some electronic projects, and it got short circuited in the positive and negative terminals. And after that, this is behaving a little weird. Like as soon as I switch on it, the voltage rises to 60 volts and then shut itself down after a while. So this is the problem that I'm facing with my power supply. Even though it is like completely minimized, it goes to 60 volts and then shuts itself down, and it doesn't work anymore. So even if I measure the voltage in the terminals, it's like 60 volts across, and this is supposed to give only 30 volts. And today we will troubleshoot this problem. Instead of throwing this away, we will try to make it work by changing the MOSFETs inside. So for easy understanding, or to speed up the video, I already removed the cabinet. Let's open it up. Let me power it off before I do anything with this. I will turn it off anyway, and I'll open it for you. This will be like quick and easy. I don't want you to wait all the way till I open. So if you see inside, we got two things in here. So, and two MOSFETs on the right side and on the left side. So this is the one which controls the voltage, and this is the one which controls the current. So for me, the current factor is not an issue because it stays right where it wants to, but the voltage peaks from 60 and then drops back to 0. So I suspect this is the MOSFET which controls the voltage. And don't try to, I'm not going to try to change this, because this is just a rectifier, and this is the MOSFET which controls the voltage. And you will have similar MOSFETs on the other side with the same, but this is not the same. So don't try to swap it if you have the same kind of power supply, because this is different and the other one is different. The other one controls the current and this one controls the voltage. So let's open this up, and I got this from Radio Shack, and we will try to change this, and then we will see whether we have fixed this problem or not. Alright gentlemen, thanks for watching this video. As you can see, I've changed only the MOSFET that was associated with the voltage regulation, as I said earlier, and this is common with MS3010D. if you're picking the voltage more than 20 volts and if your terminals are getting short circuited, your little buddy inside the MOSFET which controls the voltage is going to go away. So it's hardly like $2. You can get it in eBay for a pack of 5 for $10. I got it from eBay as well. So you change only that MOSFET, and the MOSFET is 75NF75 if I'm not wrong. So this is the thing that I changed, and now you can see the voltage doesn't peak to 60 and shut itself down. It comes in control, as you can see. Like whenever I change, let me switch off the light so that you can see better. So it comes down to 0.5. If I tune all this down, it comes down to 0.5 or 0.6, which is quite normal. Oh, it's coming down to 0. And then when you peak it, it gradually stays up as usual, as it meant to be. And then it doesn't go up to 60 volts, you know. It doesn't give the output of 60 volts. It just stays at the maximum of 31, maximum of 31.5. That's okay. That's common with these models. So if you ever have MS3010D and when you're playing with circuits and when your terminal gets shorted, this is the way to do it. Like, and if you see the symptom, for this particular symptom, you change the MOSFET on this side. The first one, the MOSFET that I changed, as shown in the video, is the only thing that is required. And you can repair this, and you can keep this 30 volt backup running again with hardly $2.50. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. And I'll be posting few other videos as well. And once again, I'm sorry for not posting video for too long. I've been caught up with works, and especially with this COVID situations. Thanks for watching, gentlemen. See you soon.